Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of the DECO House. I'm Mika and today we're diving into all things Deco Clad and Deco Wood windows and doors. If you've been following our journey so far, you'll know that a lot of our product choices have been centred around sustainability, quality and durability. So let's get into why the product choices we made were the perfect ones for our new family home. So let's talk about cladding. One of the things that my husband and I wanted to do if we ever built our own home was to use lightweight construction materials. And what we have chosen is DECO Clad, which is a solid aluminium cladding system that is really easy to install, comes with a range of accessories and is a complete engineered system. And what we have chosen is the weatherboard profile. One of the key things we wanted to do is have lovely timber look windows and doors. So we have gone with the Dulux natural white powder coat finish for our cladding on the exterior of the front of the house. We love this because it means there's no painting involved, and the durability factor of powder coating means that it's going to stay looking good for years to come with very minimal effort. And let's not forget about sustainability. DECO Clad aligns closely with our values for building a sustainable home. It is made from the low-cal green aluminium product, which was a big tick for us. I mentioned choosing a product that was going to be easy to install, and this is an excellent test case because with DECO Clad they come in 6.5 metre lengths, meaning that you can get long runs with minimal joins. It's lightweight, easy to handle and slots together easily, allowing for a quick and easy installation experience. Now let's turn our attention to my window and door choices. One of the key things we wanted was to be able to capture maximum airflow. We also wanted to make sure that we could keep minimal heat loss through the windows and doors. We really love the Deco Wood finish, and this was our product choice, and so we've gone with an aluminium window and door system with the Deco Wood ironbark finish. The beauty of this is we don't have to paint and maintain it and stain it or sand it or have any of the issues associated with traditional timber windows. They're going to work like a dream for years to come. Now at the front of the house we wanted the country-esque home, but we also wanted a bit of a modern flair. So as you can see here, what you'll notice is a transition point from the traditional weatherboard cladding look to a modern concrete look cladding. This is still the Deco aluminium cladding product and it just looks terrific. We are so pleased with how this has turned out. You can see it's complemented here with battens and again our lovely louver windows and doors. So there you have it. Deco Clad and Deco Wood windows and doors are the product selections of choice in my home. We're thrilled with these selections and how they've transformed our house. I can't wait for you to see more of it as we continue our journey on this house build.